When this with the B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married
3, 2, 1. Alright, so what's up YouTube? It's RonDaGreat back with another video, and today guys, so there's a little change of plan, right? So basically what my plan for the, if I'm looking at it, if I'm seeing at the community tab, I go start post some reactions. So yo, what I do, I basically post reactions on one vlog every week. So basically that be a little bit like consistent, you know, and when I look at it and when I say yeah, we can actually be consistent posting 2 videos every week, then after I post one vlog and then you not hear from me until the next week. You see me? So if I can put in look more work, maybe try it. But anyways, today I say a little thing on YouTube, creepy video found on TikTok, part 42, but it's a part 1 for RonDaGreat channel. So yo, you go watch it, but watch I know no more to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, get notification bell up, you need to subscribe, and make sure you watch the ads. You see me? We are getting out of the video. We did the screen record already, so we are start now. Turn up the volume.
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Daniel? What's that?
Wait, so I'm confused. What going on here, sir? I'm confused.
Get out of here!
I'm confused. So
Get out of here!
as far as I see it, look like say yo, they must have come from treat or something, and them going to their house, and one creep must have watch them from way behind whatsoever, and follow them and both to go in the house, but because them lock the door, well, I know say if I did me, I would lock the door, and probably would kill him or not, because he's not gonna kill me in my own house. That can't happen. Okay. Yeah, just 2 personal kiss. What was the point of that? We just extra with 2 personal kiss.
This is what happens whenever I put her near my daughter's old Cabbage Patch toy. But that's not the weirdest part. There's no batteries. But wait, there's more.
Brother, from ever since I watch Chucky Dog, man, when I look on the doll, them brother, them just kind of give me a look of off vibes, dog. We put the doll here, when I have no battery night, I move by itself.
I even cut the wire to see if that would stop it. Is she causing this?
Well, it's come like a nice reaction for drop for Sunday, you see me? It can be like, you know, on a Sunday, we drop like some scary reaction going on. You can sit down and watch, you know, nice food or whatever. Meanwhile, me now, no. Anyways, we'll get back in the video. I don't want to stretch out the video too much, so okay. First of all, would I never go for one of them, the brother? Imagine the clip where they this somehow, or the rubber where it drop and somehow end up pop. Well, I think normal them have parachute, you know, so I don't really know. I think them normal get parachute when they go on it. I think. And if you go pop on him, I'm salty, man, but they're supposed to give them parachute and them things, so I don't understand why. Like, how was that day in the corner? Oh, that's supposed to be scary, man, I get it. If you see me, I drop a little bit, you know, a little cold. Yeah, no. It's like from one day, I get sick every minute. But we'll continue with it. So, mysterious K-Fun, an incredible scene, all coffins, 800, what? 800, yeah, no, 1800, as I don't say, 1800 years ago. Could be a coffin. You know, I don't understand. I don't understand. Well, I go cave in about, like, bro, at night time, imagine you're stuck in one of them cave with you night, brother. I don't understand that they not Spanish, so I skip it out. I'll go on, sir. Oh, that's supposed to be scary. I'm not get the point of the video. That look like, I don't know, that look like something with them choking at the ear. Like them throw something at the ear and to fly around. Yeah, I'm not say what that's scary, but we'll continue. Oh, that way you see I go on with the tile them. That did happen in my house one night time. I think that when the tile them, I must say rotten or something. Like when I tile them out there, so the tile them used to like take time pop out and that hear the cracking night. Well, that's showing right now, but that's not too much. But oh, that be scary. That's not scary, bro. They know it happened in my house already. Strangers offer Jello fantastically. Would you take it? First of all, if somebody come to me and force me to take a Jello, bro, like the forcing when I force me to take the Jello, bro, that kind of get me irritated. I'm gonna probably clotting, you know, like use my left hand and just, yeah, that's something I do. Somebody that force me, cause I don't like when people are forced me to do things, isn't it? Sound like him crazy. Just a family photo. No, later. The man on the left did something this 5-7. Where him do?
The willow tree and
Where him do?
Watch this.
Isn't it? Future in hand.
430 abandoned flats, and there is something in the window.
Open. Yo. You see movement then? Move the light.
sit down and I pint them thing that want to the house. Like, that could never be me, bro. Like, how no man should sit down, brother? From the city up with the bro, me I take, brother. The whole of my foot, I'm not even going to show my foot bottom, but the whole of my foot bottom would have bone off if me see that, brother.
Fuck is that?
Yo, this is why black people survive. Huh? How let's go on my level? A good little camera trick. Them do part that. What is with this light appearing in the sky? That look like one of them alien ship in the sky.
Miren, buen tiempo arriba.
Alien them there, man. And that a go on.
Se desapareció. Ay, ¿para qué?
Well, I mean, mermaid siren singing. You know, pauses. I feel like some of them mermaid thing I see people are post up. I just feel like say people just get mermaid suit and are swimming at the water, them and are tricky people them and have somebody that they record from a different angle and talk about you're mermaid. That me an idiot.
Where's he at? What the fuck is that noise, bro? What is that noise? Where are you? This is crazy. I heard it. I heard it. I hear it. Oh my God. That's crazy. That's nuts.
This man was asking his girlfriend to marry him with an underwater letter, but tragically, he drowned shortly after. The way Tom runs is pretty
You hear this a while ago? One man asked him, woman, married him underwater and the man drowned. The woman that good girl that even want the one that the first place I have the man there and suffocate under the water for ear. I blame the woman for this one here, bro.
Why do you never see pigs hiding in the tree? Because they're pretty good at it.
Cringe. Cringe.
Why do you never see pigs hiding in the tree?
So them have me watch this a loop here until the video done.
Why do you never see pigs hiding in the tree? Tree.
It's scary, man. I take back my cringe when I just say a while ago. Wow. One of the creepiest thing I've seen, it was 3 a.m. You see, oh, Annabella Gallo. You look at your Tesla screen and see this, what you're doing. What do you must see? I must drive. Freak me asleep on my spot. Oh, I probably because of like the Tesla, this fast behind it. But I probably because the Tesla, like if somebody in front of it now will drive. So a good lay all that to make them not drive. The girl that talked to the dog, the play doll a while ago and the head move a while ago. Alright, so I'm gonna start the screen record. Stop. So that's at the end of the video, guys. Please like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on the notification bell if you don't want to subscribe, and tell me if you don't actually like this reaction. You see me? This is my first reaction since like me I take serious, so I want to tell me like, yo, if you want me to do more reaction, for just cut it. This is just a starting night, so let me know in the comment section and peace out.
Man, this was the beat, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married